How to change your name in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So now, we're in this profile settings. Here, you'll be able to see different things related to your profile. Here on the left top, there's a small button called Change Name. Simply tap on Change Name and here tap on Change. Now, this is the place where you can enter a new name. So it's up to you and the way that you want to keep it. So here I'm tapping on 1. At last, simply tap on Confirm and it's all set to go. So other friends and people added with you will be able to see the same name. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.